And now our third and final speaker of the whole competition is Mr. Olivier Gazil, or maybe I'm pronouncing it right, whose title is Jell-O in Green Chemistry, a Golden Opportunity. And his advisor is Nick Virgilio from Chemical Engineering.
In your opinion, what is the common element between this bride, Jack Sparrow, and this chemical reduction of an alcohol? Well, you would have guessed it, it is gold. This bride has a magnificent golden ring. Jack Sparrow is searching for gold, and this chemical reduction can be done with gold. But what's so magic about gold? Well, in typical chemical reaction, gold can be used to reduce chemicals and can be used in milder condition, working toward green chemistry, which is good for the environment. However, you must wonder how gold can do such a thing, since it is a noble metal that do not react. Well, interestingly enough, in the level of the really small, the nanoparticle, gold becomes highly reactive and is an excellent catalyst. However, there is a problem. Imagine mixing some sand with water. Eventually, the sand will settle down, but for nanoparticles, it is the opposite. They stay in suspension, so it's really hard to separate, and it's hard to reuse them. We then need to immobilize these particles, but current techniques are costly, not really effective, and are complex. My solution, do some Jell-O. So in instance, take some Jell-O shots, but replace the vodka with gold nanoparticles. You put the Jell-O powder, the gold nanoparticles, water, you mix everything together, and voila, you immobilize your gold nanoparticles. So now in the lab, I'm trying to see if cherry flavor is better than lime. No. Jokes aside, there is yet another problem. So when you have this massive piece of Jell-O with particles, well, the one in the middle are out of reach. There needs to be some kind of channel to be able to reach them. Well, to be able to do so, I use a special mold, a co-continuous polymer mold that creates all these little interconnected tunnels in the Jell-O. It becomes like an ant colony. So the little ant can enter the tunnel, go in the middle of the Jell-O, reach the nanoparticles, and then get out. So each time you'll enjoy this tasty treat, well, think about green chemistry and how gold nanoparticles can help the environment. Thank you.